Welcome back, fellow agriculture enthusiasts. Today, we embark on an exciting journey as we delve into the realm of starting an agriculture business with minimal investment. Are you ready to turn your passion into a flourishing venture? Let's get started. Think beyond traditional farming methods. Explore techniques like vertical farming, aquaponics, or container gardening, which require minimal land and resources. Experiment with niche crops like microgreens, medicinal herbs, or heirloom varieties that command premium prices. Utilize technology to your advantage, embrace online marketplaces, collaborate with local chefs, or offer farm-to-table subscriptions to connect directly with consumers. Planning is key to success. Conduct thorough market research to identify profitable crops suited to your local climate and demand. Create a detailed budget outlining expenses and potential revenue streams. Utilize free resources like government grants, agricultural extension services, or online educational platforms to minimize costs and maximize knowledge. Building strong community relationships is vital. Partner with local farmers markets, community gardens, or farm-to-school initiatives. Participate in workshops and events to learn from experienced growers and share your own knowledge. Offer educational programs or volunteer opportunities to engage the community and build a loyal customer base. Embrace environmentally responsible methods like organic farming, water conservation techniques, and composting. Not only will this benefit the environment, but it can also attract eco-conscious consumers willing to pay a premium for sustainable products. There you have it, aspiring agriculturists. Starting an agriculture business with low investment is not only feasible but can be incredibly rewarding. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.